So today we will discuss Stokes theorem. Stokes theorem is defined as line integral to surface integral. Means the line integral of a vector function f is a vector function around any closed curve is equal to surface integral of curl f. Means f dot dr. This is line integral single and this is surface integral double integral. Is curl f dot n cap ds. So n cap is perpendicular unit vector n cap is. If suppose f is xi plus yj plus zk. F is xi plus yj plus zk and dr is dxi plus dyj plus dzk is defined in xy plane. So in xy plane, so perpendicular unit vector is n cap is k. So perpendicular of xy plane is z. So n cap z is perpendicular, n cap is k. So here n cap is equal to k, and in xy plane z is equal to 0 is equal to dz. Z and dz equal to 0. So what is fdr? F is z0 xi. F dot dr is xi plus yj. Z0 and dz0. Dr is dxi plus dyj in xy plane. So if dot we have to do dot multiplication. Dot means x to x, I to I, z to z, k to k. I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. So this is x dx plus y. So in xy plane, f dot dr is this one, x dx plus y dy. Right hand side, you see right hand side. Means double integral as curl f dot n cap ds. We will find this one. So curl, what is curl f? Curl f means del cross f. Means I, j, k, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z. And this is x, y, z. X, y, z. This is curl f. Del cross f. Del means I, del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z. So can we find I? This row and this column eliminated. So this del by del y means z. The partial differentiation of z with respect to y means becomes 0. Or we can write here del z by del y minus del y by del z plus j. If we write here plus, so we change the order. J means this column, this row eliminated, first this one and this one. So del x upon del z minus del z upon del x plus k. This row and this column is eliminated, so this one, this del y by del x minus del x upon del y. So this is curl f. So curl f dot n cap. What is n cap? N cap is k. So curl f dot n cap means this multiplied by dot k. So k means k dot k is 1, otherwise all this and this becomes 0, this becomes k dot k 1 means del y upon del x minus del x upon del y. So this becomes del y by del x minus del x upon del y. ds is dx dy. In xy plane ds is dx dy. So f dot dr is this one x dx. So we can say x dx plus y dy equal to double integral del y by del x minus del x upon del y dx dy. So in xy plane, f dot dr ax dx plus y dy is equal to double integral s del y by del x minus del x upon del y dx dy. In xy plane, z and dz equal to 0. So we find curl f like this one. Curl del cross f, del is I del by del x, j del by del y, k del by del z. So now we see here, we do some examples. So suppose we verify first. Suppose f is x square I plus x y j. F is here is we will verify this one. Verify means we have to show right hand side and left hand side both are equal. Both we have to calculate. If it is written verify, then we have to calculate both left hand side FDR and curl f dot n cap ds. So this is f is x square I plus x y z and x in this is surrounded in xy plane. So xy plane is z and this is surrounded or rounded by the lines. This is in square in xy plane rounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to. So the surface area means curved area, closed curve. What is closed curve? Curved area is closed by these lines. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to a. So we have to verify Stokes theorem in xy plane or z is equal to 0 plane. Xy plane is z is equal to 0. So we have to here f dot dr. We have to show f dot dr equal to curl f dot n cap. We have to find both. N cap is k. So first we draw closed curve by these lines. X is equal to 0. What is x is equal to 0? X is equal to 0. Y axis. Y is equal to 0. X axis. This is x axis. This is y axis. X is equal to a. What is x is equal to a? This one. X is equal to a. And y is equal to a. This is y is equal to a. So this is the closed curve. So we have to verify Stokes theorem in this closed area. Means O, A, B, C. This is the region surrounded by these lines. Okay. So now first left hand side, we define left hand side. We will find left hand side. F is this one. So this is line integral. Single integral, line integral. So we have to calculate integral about single line means these lines, and these lines. We have to calculate like this. So left hand side, we have to find left hand side. So first we have to integrate along. So along line OA. Integral f dot dr along line OA. So in line OA, what is the value of here? Y equal to 0. Here, what is the line? Means this is 0, 0. This is A0. This is AA. This is 0, A. So here you see, x is changing 0 to A. Y is constant 0, 0. Both 0, 0. So this is line. This is x-axis, y is equal to 0. So here, put y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, then dy is 0. Or x changes, what is x? Changes 0 to a. So limit of x is 0 to a. So what is f dr? F dot dr is equal to x 0 to a. This is f. F means x square I plus x y j. Dr means dxi plus dy j. dy is 0. F dot dr means 0 to a x square dx plus x by dy. So we will write now directly this one in next step. So here we put y is equal to 0 and dy is equal to 0. So if we put y is equal to 0, dy is equal to 0, this becomes 0. So now x cube by 3, if we apply limit, so a cube by 3, a cube by 3. This is number equation. Now we integrate along AB, f dot dr along AB. So in AB, what is the value of fixed x is equal to a. So this is line x is equal to a. X is equal to a. So dx is 0 because a is constant. Or what is change? Y changes from 0 to a. So limit of y changes 0 to a. So f dot dr is equal to y is 0 to a, dx f dot dr this one. This becomes 0. What is the value of x? X is a. So here we write x is equal to a, so it becomes ay. So this becomes ay dy. So a y square by 2 means a square a cube by 2. Now come on this line y is equal to a means along BC. We have to integrate along BC. In BC, what is fixed? Here y a. So y is equal to a is fixed. So dy equal to 0. Y is equal to a and dy equal to 0. X changes from a to 0. So limit of x a to 0. Limit changes a to 0. So f dot dr dy 0. This becomes 0. X square dx. What is x? X square dx. X square dx. A to 0. X changes a to 0. So minus a cube by 3. Now last one CO along C. So here x0 x0. So x is equal to C. Dx equal to 0. X0 dx equal to 0. Y changes a to 0. Here y is equal to a, here a to 0. A to 0. So we have to calculate, integrate in the same direction, means like this one. So we cannot use like this one, first here to here and then here to here. If we do like this one, then we have to change sign. Now limit y to dy. So f dot dr. This becomes 0. X y dy. What is x? 0. X is 0. So here we put 0. So this becomes 0. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. So now f dot dr, total f dot, integral C, f dot dr. F dot dr means add all, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Means suppose this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Means a cube by 3 plus a cube by 2 minus a cube by 3 plus a cube by 2. This is a cube by 2. Left hand side is a cube by 2. So now we calculate curl f, right hand side. It should be also a cube by 2. Then verify. So this is where f is this one. Now we find right hand side. Find curl f first, curl f. Curl F is I J K, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, x square, x y c. Curl F is I, this and this has gone 0 minus del by del z. So integration of x and y with respect to z. So this becomes z dz is 0 plus j. This and this has gone. Del by del z 0 minus 0 plus k. This has this gone x. To x means this is, if we differentiate partially x to y minus 0. So yk, this is yk. What is n cap? N cap is dot k. N cap is k. N cap equal to k. In xy plane, perpendicular xy plane is z. So unit vector of z is k. So curl F, double integral, curl F dot n cap ds. N cap means yk dot k dx dy. So here we see the limit of x changes from 0 to a, 0 to a. So 0 to a. And y we make like this many strips. For the value of y we make strips. So lower part is y is equal to 0 and upper part is y is equal to a. So limit is here is also 1. K dot k is 1. So first 0 to a, integral of y with respect to y square by 2. So this is a square by 2 dx. Again integrate x. This is constant x. You will apply a cube by 2 equal to left hand side. A cube by 2, a cube by 2. So this is verified. This is the verification of Stokes theorem. If we are asked verified, it means we have to find left hand side and right hand side both. Now we evaluate Stokes theorem. So xy f is xyi plus xy square j. Xyi plus xy square j in xy plane where the vertices are xy plane, in xy plane, and vertices are 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 0 minus 1. So these are the vertices of a square. This is square. If we draw this one, now trace 1 0. This is x is 1, y is equal to 0. So this is 1 0 minus 1 0. This is minus 1 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So this is x is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 0. This is y is equal to 0. And y is equal to 1. So this is y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. Where y is minus 1. This is y is equal to minus 1. This is x is equal to 1, x is equal to. X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to 1, y is equal to. So this is square. This is square. A, B, C, D. So now we calculate here, we have to show, evaluate Stokes theorem. Evaluate means we need no need to show left hand side equal to right hand side. We do not need verify this one. So we have to find right hand side only curl f. So this is f. So we have to find curl f I j k del by del x del by del y del by del z x y x y square z curl. So this is I 0 minus g. Partial differential of x y square with respect to z 0 plus j. Now we change the order. First this one in partial differential x y with respect to z 0 minus 0 k. This one, this hand has gone. Now with respect to x y square minus this one with respect to y x. So this is curl. Now curl f dot n cap. Curl f dot n cap means this 0, so this k y square minus x dot k. So k dot k is 1, so this is y square. Now integral curl f dot n cap. Curl f dot n cap ds means double integral y square minus x dx dy. So limit of x is minus 1 to x changes minus 1 to 1. X changes from minus 1 to 1. And y you make this strip. This is same constant. So y also changes from minus 1 to 1. Now you have to integrate with respect to y. So minus 1 to 1 y cube by 3 minus xy minus 1 to 1 dx. So this becomes 2, becomes double 1 by 3 minus x dx. So this becomes 2 twice, and 1 by 3 1 and minus x. So again with respect to x, so 2 1 upon 3x minus x square minus 1 to 1. So 2, this becomes 2 by 3 and this becomes 0. So this is 4 by 3. So now we have to calculate this. Evaluate. No need to show left hand side equal to right hand side. Now suppose, now evaluate f is equal to y square I plus x square j minus x plus z k. So this is f and the vertices are of triangle. Vertices of a triangle is given surrounded by 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. So this is z. Here we see z 0 0 0. This is it is in x y plane. Z is equal to 0. So now we draw x 0 y 0. So this is 0 0. X 1 y 0. So this is 1 0. X 1 y 1 means y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. So this is x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to x. This is 1 1. Y is equal to x. So this is the area. Now we calculate, evaluate this one. So this is in xy plane. Z is equal to 0. So n cap is k. So curl f, we find curl f I j k del by del x del by del y del by del z y square x square minus x minus z. So I, this hand that has gone 0 minus 0. plus j. This has this one 0 minus. This is j is this and this one 0 minus minus plus 1 x plus k. This and this one 2x minus 2y. So curl f dot n cap, curl f dot n cap means this one dot n cap means k. So dot product I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k 1, otherwise all 0. So this becomes all 0. Only this one 2x minus 1. So now we evaluate curl f dot n cap dx double integral curl f 2 x minus y dx d. So limit of x is terms of constant. In 0 to 1, x changes from 0 to 0 to. Now limit of y, we have to find limit of y. So how we find limit of y? We make strips like this one. We make strip like this one. So lower part of the strip is here. This is y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. And upper portion touches this one here. So what is this? Y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. Now we integrate 0 to 1 x y minus y square by 2 0 to x dx r 0 to 1 x square minus x square by 2. So this is x square by 2 dx. So 1 by 4 x cube by 3 means 1 by 3. This is x cube by 3. X cube by 3. 0 to. So this is 1 upon. So the value of this one f dot d means Stokes theorem. Curl f dot n cap is 1 over 12. Now suppose we have to find this one integral y z dx plus x y dy plus x z dy x y dz. This is f dot dr. This is f dot dr. Where c by unit is equal to 1 and c is equal to z is equal to y square. So closed curve is surrounded by this circle and z is equal to y square is z. So this is f dot dr. F dot dr. You can write this one y z I plus x z j plus x y k dot dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So f dot dr. This is f dot d. So this is f. This is f. So curl f, we have to find curl f I j k del by del x del by del y del by del z y z x z x y I del by del y x minus del by del z x, so this is x plus j. This has this bond, these two lines. Now first del by del z y minus this one with respect to x y plus k. This and this has gone with respect to x z minus with respect to y becomes z. So this is g. So the value of this one is g. Curl f dot n cap is g. We have to evaluate. We can evaluate like this. This is very simple. we take verify. Suppose we verify here, f is given zi plus xj plus y in xy plane. Here in xy plane, it is surrounded. Here C is xy plane surrounded by the hemisphere z is equal to root 1 minus x square minus y square. This is surrounded by this hemisphere z is equal to 1 minus x square minus y square. So this is an xy plane. In xy plane z is equal to 0. So if we put z is equal to 0, so this becomes x square plus y square is equal to 1. So this is a circle with radius 1. Radius is 1. This is a circle, radius 1. So now we have to first verify. So first we find curl f. Curl f in xy plane, n cap is equal to k. N cap is equal to curl f I j k del by del x del by del y del by del z z x y. I with respect to y1 minus g plus j, this has gone 1 minus 0 plus k, this has gone 1 minus differential 0, means I plus j plus k. So curl f dot n cap. Curl f dot n cap means I plus j plus k dot k. K dot k is 1, other all 0. So this is 1. So now curl f dot n cap ds means 1 ds. ds means area. Area of whom? Area of circle. What is area of circle? Pi r square. So this is pi r. What is r? 1 square is area of circle. Area of circle. ds means